take care of him. What do you think, Jonathan? Yep. Perfect. All right, so 2 boxes of SP Authentic with a Splendor box. That's what we have. That's where we're at. So 41. Yeah, made a mistake on that one. It's 41.32, not 41.31. It's 41.32. Yeah, 41.32. Just wait to have more people. All right, 41.32. Here we go. SP Authentic with a Splendor box. Need my knife. Where is it? There it is. I'll keep that last. Start with SP Authentic. This is my favorite product. Every year. Alright, first pack. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Starting with the #1 draft for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. McDavid, #1 draft for the Edmonton Oilers. I'll keep the decoy. Next, we got a Authentic moment for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. We got a red for the Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. Red for Florida Barkov. Future Spectrum level 2 for the Montreal Canadiens, Victor Mété. Oh, damage going there. Victor Mété, Spectrum Future level 2 for Montreal. Pack number 5, we got a limited autograph for the New York Rangers, Kevin Shattenkirk. Kevin Shattenkirk, limited autograph for the New York Rangers. Have a good day. Do you tomorrow? Nope. Next, we got a milestone for the New York Islanders, Mike Bossy. Mike Bossy, milestone for the Islanders. Red for the San Jose Sharks, Logan Couture. Couture red for the San Jose Sharks. Update for the Flyers, Peter Mrazek. Spectrum for the LA Kings, Wayne Gretzky. So, reminds me. Guys, go put your answer on the Spectrum out of 50 of Gretzky. That's the card. And the question is, how many points will Connor McDavid have tonight? So we get a Future Watch, Nat Auto, 274 of 999 for the Flyers. Nolan Patrick. Nolan Patrick, Future Watch for the Flyers, nice. And we also have the Authentic moment for the Anaheim Ducks, card there. Future Watch autograph number 999 for the Boston Bruins, Jacob Forsbacka-Karlsson. So Forsbacka-Karlsson, Future Watch out of 999 for Boston. That's our second autograph. Milestone for the Dallas Stars, Mike Modano. Update for the Vegas Golden Knights, Thomas Tatar. Tatar update for Vegas. Authentic moment for the Florida Panthers, Roberto Luongo. Rubbing authentic moment for Florida. Red for the Carolina Hurricanes, Noah Hanifin. Milestone for the Coyotes, Dale Hawerchuk. Hawerchuk milestone for the Coyotes. Last 2 packs of our first box. Milestone for the Florida Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. And the last one. We got a Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks and the Welinski. Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks. Alright, so that was our first box. Nice hit for the Flyers. Huge rush of Nolan Patrick. Alright. Well, even for Frank Carlson, he's a good prospect for Boston. Alright, box number 2. Now, cut the pack, please. There we go, first deck. Alright, so we start with the Authentic Moment, Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. Austin Matthews, Authentic Moment for the Leafs. Whoa, second pack is a patch. Alright. What do we have? Future Watch Auto Patch, number 76 out of 100. 4-color patch for the St. Louis Blues, Jordan Schmaltz. Jordan Schmaltz, 4-color patch for the Blues. Nice set. It was nice, nice patch. Third pack, we get a Future Watch autograph. Number 999, Carolina Hurricanes. Aiden Fleury. Aiden Fleury, Future Watch of 999 from Carolina. Milestone, the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick King. Kaner Milestone for Chicago. Future Watch FX Spectrum Level 1 for the Dallas Stars, Denis Gurianov. Gurianov for Dallas. FX for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. McDavid Spectrum FX for Edmonton. We got Authentic Moment. LA Kings, Vancouver Canucks. I'm not going to do a note for that one. I'll give one to the Canucks, and I'm also going to give one to the LA Kings. Got some of those cards back. Red for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Tarasenko red for the Blues. Next, we got an update for the LA Kings, Drew Doughty. Drew Doughty update for LA. Young Guns for the Chicago Blackhawks, David Kampf. David Kampf, Young Guns for Chicago. Milestone, Pittsburgh Penguins, Jake Gensel. Gensel Milestone for Pittsburgh. Pack number 12, red for the Flyers, Jacob Voracek. Right, last 6 packs, what do we have here on Aspis? We got a Young Guns for the Buffalo Sabres, Cal Chris Cuolo. Cal Chris Cuolo, Young Guns for Buffalo. Red for the Vegas Golden Knights, Marc-Andre Fleury. Fleury red for Vegas. Next, we got Authentic Moment. Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Update for the Winnipeg Jets, Paul Stastny. The last 2 packs, what do we have? A Milestone for the Wings of Steve Yzerman. And the last one, we got a Authentic Moment for the Edmonton Oilers and Leon Draisaitl. Alright, so that was for SP Authentic. Nice patch for the Blues, nice hidden flurry for Carolina. And let's now do Splendor. Let me get this on first. Alright, Splendor, here we go. Everything's possible with Splendor. What do we have? Alright, that's a nice one. Patch autograph. 2 out of 5. So 2 out of 5 patch autograph. And this one's going to go to the Toronto Maple Leafs. Doug Gilmour. So 2 out of 5 gold borderless. Doug Gilmour for the Toronto Maple Leafs. So that was break 41-22, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna post. I might post another triple box like this one, or I'll post tins. I don't know. I'll see. So thanks, guys. I'll be back with more.